I wanted to give you an update on what we're seeing weather-wise in our area. Let's take a look at the line right now, and then we'll get Jen's take on it as well. And right now, the area in yellow here is a tornado watch that's in effect for Baldwin County, for Mobile County, Washington, Clark, and Monroe counties. Then we have a severe thunderstorm warning right now for Washington and southern Clark, and then northern Monroe County. But the southern edge of the line just hasn't materialized. Let's go to radar, and I want to show you this. This is really interesting for southern Mobile County. We've got some scattered showers coming through town right now, but we're not seeing any real super heavy rain. We're getting some periods of downpours here. This line is yet to really form up for Baldwin County and for southern Mobile County. This is where it's most intense. Up into northern Mobile County, up into Washington County, and up into Clark County. We had some tornado warnings in effect earlier for northern Clark County. We do not have any of those in effect right now, and you can see where the heaviest rain and lightning is occurring. From northern Baldwin County to Monroe County to Clark County, all this activity is sliding to the east and to the northeast. And again, so far so good for Mobile County, and we're going to have some periods of some downpours moving through Mobile and moving through Baldwin County, but we're not seeing that line forming up. Once this moves through, we may see some of the watches drop. Now, we just had a new thunderstorm warning issued here for northern Mobile County. That's going to northern Baldwin County. That's going to extend over into Escambia, Conecuh County, and Monroe County. And basically, anything ahead of this line right here is considered a severe thunderstorm. We've got strong inflow out there, and that's creating the potential for very gusty winds right through this red area here that's showing up on our Doppler radar. That's a real high rate of reflectivity. So we're getting heavy rain there. At this point, we're just going to continue to give you updates at the bottom of the hour and the top of the hour again at 11 o'clock unless we go under a tornado warning. In the meantime, we'll let the crawl do its job at the bottom of the screen, and we'll just give you some updates from time to time on this line. Jennifer is tracking this as well. Jennifer, an amazing display of lightning going on right now in Washington County and Clark County. Tell us what you're seeing.
Yeah, Jason, so right now seeing heavy lightning that is associated with these storms, and go ahead and put that back on loop so we can get a good idea of what we are seeing within these storms. Lots of energy within them. And also I've been checking social media right now and NWS, just seeing what they're talking about within this. And so far they are continuing this tornado watch. We just got that update right now for Baldwin, Clark, Mobile, Monroe, Washington counties, and that's going to be continued until midnight. So just keep that in mind. But those tornado watches have been canceled for George, Greene, Perry, Stone, and Wayne counties. So just those ones have been canceled, but those other ones are continuing. Also, there has been a new mesoscale discussion issued too within this, and they do say that those tornado watches will continue extending east. So if you are out east and you are in tornado watch yet, they did just say that that will be coming out soon. So they're going to continue expanding those watches as the system continues to push further east, and they're going to continue watching this threat as we move throughout the day. Now we can go ahead and go back to those alerts just so you get a better idea of where these watches are. You can see that they've been shaved off those western counties, and right now we're just seeing Mobile, Baldwin counties, and to the north within those severe thunderstorm warnings as well. But soon here we will have those tornado watches issued further out east, especially for those panhandle areas where they are continuing to monitor some of these storms and those cells within it. So.
Yeah, that's an update there from meteorologist Jennifer Lamberts. We got team coverage here tonight on Fox 10, and we're keeping a close eye on these storms as they move through your community. The areas in orange all under severe thunderstorm warnings right now. The potential for gusty winds in excess of 70 miles an hour. It's not going to take much. In Mobile, for example, we haven't even seen a warning up, and before the rain even got here, we saw wind gusts upwards of about 50 miles per hour ahead of this line. So the potential is there for severe weather in our forecast area tonight. We're looking at the storm reports right now, and we had what was likely an EF4 or an EF5 tornado go through near Prentiss, Mississippi, and Bassfield, Mississippi, Summerall, Mississippi, and back up towards Laurel. Two distinct rotation areas that moved through here earlier, and that just shows you how ripe the atmosphere has been for the potential of severe weather today. The storms that are moving through now, they're not showing the structure of tornadic thunderstorms, but that could change at any time because we are seeing very intense thunderstorms going on right now, and this is moving through a tornado watch. So we just wanted to give you an update. Severe thunderstorm warnings are going to continue into the inland areas. This will all be out of here around 2 or 3 this morning, and tomorrow should be a beautiful sunny day. We got great weather ahead. We'll keep watching this for you with our Storm Tracker team here on Fox 10.